Alright. Alright, so after a brief consultation, I decided I'm just going to use the 16th square strips. Cut 4 of them here. I've sanded and faired them. You can see the angle here is now much better, much more appropriate. And then filler is going to take care of that, the rest of it. So, and I'm just going to smear it on there with a little bit of water. And we'll have to sand and rework and sand and fill and sand and fill and sand and fill and sand and fill. But eventually we'll have a nice, it'll have some continuity there. Here's my towel. Here it is. All right, so I'll use the butter knife. Go over the top of that. Oh, I actually made that part worse. There we go. Just need a little more frosting. There we go. Okay, there it is. That's the draw we're looking for. All right. Let's get all that off of there. We don't need that. We don't need to redo the whole damn thing. We just need to kind of clean up this edge of it here. So we need to lay this stuff in here pretty nice and try not to get it any place that we really don't want to. Really don't want to start over with the tail cone. We just want to fix this. Excuse me, fix this situation. And you know, I'm not going to be able to do this with just one application of filler, even though I'm always trying to do that. I have to remind myself, look, it's a process, and it's okay if it takes a couple of applications. It doesn't have to be done in one. And yet here I go, I'm trying to get it all out. But anyway, so you can see this is, you know, I'm gonna have a little work here to get this back and prepped for paint. But it was just enough of an eyesore for me anyway, and I'm the one that matters here as far as I'm the decider. I thought that was a bad president. Now look at us. Yeah. But anyway, I don't want to get political. Let's just let's fix the airplane and move ahead.